So one day I was going to work. I was very busy all day. Then I went to pick up my son after work was finished. Both of us, we went downtown to buy some things from the market. When we were finished, I brought the bags home and we were stuck in traffic for a long time until we arrived home. As I was walking, I noticed that my key was left in the door. I was so shocked. My son, he said, "What's wrong? What happened?" And he looked up and I was like, "Oh my God, thank you, God. Look, I left the key." Then my son looked and he was also shocked. And I said, "Thank you, God." And then first I hurriedly took out the key and wondered if the persons were inside, and I checked to see that nobody was in there. And then I locked back the grill and I went inside and checked if anything was stolen. I saw that my TV was there, my fridge was there, everything was in the same place. Nothing moved, nothing was missing, everything. I checked the bathroom, make sure nobody was in there, checked under the bed, make sure nobody was hiding there. And I was like, when I finished washing my hands, I sat down and my son was asking me, "What's wrong?" And I just was thinking, I was saying, "Thank you, God, thank you so much." Even if I didn't eat, I just felt so grateful to God that nobody stole my things. Imagine the key was left there in the door all day. People passed back and forth and nobody saw it. It seemed like God just covered their eyes so that they couldn't see the key. And I noticed as soon as I came, and I said it was there all day from morning till night. I left the key there and it was so obvious. Everybody could see it, but God covered their eyes so that people couldn't see. And they walked past. Imagine, I was so grateful to God, and I said, "Thank you, God," and I praised Him and I thanked Him. I was so touched, I was so appreciative. He's been so good to me, and I said to my son, "You see, God is so good to us. We have to tell Him thanks. Even though we reach home safe and we checked our bag, we haven't even checked our bags. We didn't even know that the key was there. I thought the key was in my bag, and now I realize it was not there when I reached and I saw it in the door. Oh my God. Wow. God is so good to us. Sometimes we forget, but we have to stop to say thanks up and think. Sometimes we don't pray, we don't sing, we don't even think about God. But God helped me, and I sat down and I remembered who He is, who is God. So I just want to say thank God. Thank you so much.